Hey viewers, I got another Will It Crush video. Today it's going to be the a Sharp adding machine. It's got a few segments missing. You can see that's supposed to be a 4 there, and there's some pieces missing. And I've removed the printing part just to spare the little motor. So here we go. And yeah, it does actually still work. Damn, I think that's gone right through it. See if it lights back up once the bar comes out. No, I don't think that's ever going to light back up. I'll just I've unplugged it now. Well, I'll try going right through the display. Maybe no, can't do it that way. That might, I don't know if that might slide down or it might not. Let's find out. Nah, that's just gonna slide down. Well, maybe I'll do one more on the keyboard and that'll be it. Oh, the wood came out. Jeez. This thing's got some force. Well, I guess that we all know the answer to this Will It Crush. Abso-friggin-lutely. And just on a little side note, I got myself another crushing mechanism. It's actually an incline to a bed. It's much longer, and somehow I got to figure something out. As you can see, the height is much higher compared to that one. But this one's 24 volts DC. You see, there's your specs. 6,000 newtons, 24 volts DC. And it's got a lot farther movements, so I may just build another one or I may replace this. I don't know yet. But that's for something in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching.